Superlife, life is super. Dear esteemed leaders and members around the world, good day to everyone. I trust you are keeping well. Money is a tool to attain a better life, but experiences are often invaluable. Traveling is a mind changer for everyone. Hence, in Superlife, we put great emphasis on promoting trip as an incentive and include as an integrated part of the company culture and a powerful brand building experience. It is my pleasure and privilege to share with everyone that the qualifications for our travel promotion is easy to achieve, and we do not impose any strict criteria, such as monthly personal maintenance, minimum monthly group maintenance, minimum direct sponsor and indirect sponsor during the promotion period. This is due to my past experience, which was unfavorable in the insurance industry and direct selling company. So I do not want to impose the same restriction in Superlife. There are two exciting trips awaiting us next year: the Dubai trip in May, Switzerland and France in October 2022. The theme of our 4 days, 3 night leadership summit in Dubai, Rising the Bar, which show our aspiration for every members in Superlife to bring the best out of themselves and achieve the goal that have never attained before. All the super members that achieve at least Ruby rank before 31st December 2021 will be able to qualify for this wonderful trip. 883 persons have successfully qualified so far, and we estimate more than 1,000 achievers worldwide will be there. For Switzerland and French promotion, it is a timely initiative reflecting the growing trend of our business worldwide since we founded 4.5 years ago. Those who are loyal and stay with us from beginning and have achieved double crown diamonds and above qualified with GP. As per end of July this year, 83 persons has qualified for the trip so far. For those who are eager to join us, you still have plenty of time until 31st March 2022 to achieve double crown diamond to qualify for this amazing trip. Your dedication and patience towards this business is a positive attribute that can help inspire your families, members, friends, and your society to pursue greater success and be more open to possibility in this dynamic industry. For me and the top management, this is the perfect occasion to fellowship with our leaders and have fun at the same time. Don't miss this opportunity, and see you soon in Superlife. Life is super.